Mother. Mother. Sucker.
Happy Friday. Me and Carlos are having lunch. Brunch.
How do you call it?
Breakfast, brunch, lunch. Yummy? So good, huh? Got a cold brew with vanilla and a little bit of almond milk. Delicious. Hello. Update. I am back at my house. They put bubble wrap on the floor. But I'm back at my house. I have to babysit Lila. She's not sleeping, she's laying on my bed. And I brought little baby Penny, and I want to give her peanut butter. Do you like it? A little more? Alright, that's it. You're so cute. Yet another short vlog. I am so sorry. We were at the Santa Ana Art Fair and my battery died, of course. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully next week's will be better. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.